Alright everyone, let's dive into the exciting face-off between two tech giants, Xiaomi and Samsung. In one corner, we have the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, Xiaomi's latest contender in the mid-range arena. This phone packs some serious heat, aiming to deliver flagship-level features at a more accessible price point. Xiaomi, known for its value-driven approach, has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the affordable segment. In the opposite corner stands the reigning champion from Samsung, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This powerhouse is Samsung's top-of-the-line offering, boasting cutting-edge technology and premium features that cater to the most demanding users. Samsung has long been synonymous with innovation and premium experiences, and the S23 Ultra is a testament to that legacy. Both phones bring their A-game, ready to battle it out for the top spot. But which one will emerge as the ultimate champion? Let's break it down and see what each contender brings to the table. I'm excited to explore their strengths, weaknesses, and ultimately help you decide which device might be the perfect fit for your needs. Let the showdown begin. First up, let's talk about performance. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes equipped with a powerful processor, likely a MediaTek Dimensity chipset, tailored for smooth multitasking, demanding gaming, and seamless app navigation. Xiaomi has been optimizing its software to extract the maximum performance from these chipsets, resulting in a snappy and responsive user experience. On the other hand, the Galaxy S23 Ultra flexes its muscles with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon chipset, the top-tier processor available for Android devices. This beastly chipset delivers unparalleled performance, effortlessly handling anything you throw at it. From graphic-intensive games to demanding productivity tasks, the S23 Ultra doesn't break a sweat. Both phones come with ample RAM and storage options, ensuring smooth multitasking and plenty of space for your apps, photos, and videos. While the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus offers a great balance of performance and efficiency, the S23 Ultra pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the mobile world. Now, let's talk cameras. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus boasts a versatile camera system featuring a high-resolution primary sensor, likely in the 108MP range, along with ultra-wide and telephoto lenses. Xiaomi has been steadily improving its camera processing, delivering impressive image quality with vibrant colors, sharp details, and good dynamic range. However, the Galaxy S23 Ultra takes mobile photography to a whole new level. It features a groundbreaking 200MP primary sensor, capable of capturing stunning detail and incredible low-light performance. The phone also boasts improved zoom capabilities, allowing you to capture distant subjects with remarkable clarity. Both phones offer a plethora of shooting modes, including portrait mode, night mode, and pro mode for manual control. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus delivers excellent camera performance for its price point, while the S23 Ultra sets a new standard for mobile photography. Section 4. Powering through the day battery life and charging. Battery life is crucial, and both phones aim to keep you powered throughout the day. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus packs a substantial battery, likely in the 5000 mAh range, paired with efficient power management features. Xiaomi's software optimizations help extend battery life, ensuring you can comfortably get through a full day of moderate to heavy use. The Galaxy S23 Ultra also features a large battery, expected to be around 5000 mAh, optimized for longevity. Samsung has made strides in battery efficiency, allowing you to power through demanding tasks without worrying about running out of juice. Both phones support fast charging, with the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus likely offering 67W fast charging, and the S23 Ultra rumored to support 45W charging. This means you can quickly top up your battery and get back to what you were doing. Section 5. Design and aesthetics, style and substance. Let's talk design. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is expected to sport a sleek and modern design, featuring a large display with minimal bezels and a premium feel. Xiaomi has been paying close attention to design details, offering a phone that looks and feels more expensive than its price suggests. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, being Samsung's flagship device, exudes premium craftsmanship. It's expected to showcase a refined design language, featuring a curved display, premium materials, and a sophisticated aesthetic. Samsung's attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the phone's design. Both phones offer a range of color options to suit your style. the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is likely to come in vibrant and trendy colors, while the S23 Ultra is expected to offer more classic and elegant color choices. Section 6. The verdict: choosing your champion. So which phone emerges as the champion? It ultimately comes down to your needs and priorities. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus offers incredible value, delivering impressive performance, a capable camera system, and long-lasting battery life at a more affordable price point. It's a fantastic choice for users who want flagship-level features without breaking the bank. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, on the other hand, is the ultimate powerhouse, pushing the boundaries of mobile technology. It offers unparalleled performance, a groundbreaking camera system, and a premium design that exudes sophistication. It's the perfect choice for users who demand the absolute best and are willing to pay a premium for it. Ultimately, both phones are winners in their respective categories. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is the value champion, while the Galaxy S23 Ultra is the ultimate flagship. The choice is yours.